Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger, and if you need to find the fuse for the fuel injector, stay with us. We'll explain where it's located, 2 fuses that we'll need to check. We'll explain where they're located, guys, how to test them, why it's super important to test fuses. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to see how to fix something, you don't know how to do it, just drop a comment below and we'll try to make that video when we have time to, that way we can get an idea for a video as well. Another thing, you need to buy any parts, tools, fuses, relays at a really good price and quick shipping. Check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can guys save a ton of money. So with that being said, what we have specifically here, this is, guys, the V6 engine. Even if you have a V8, it will work as well. This is the fuse box. Right here, you open it by squishing on each side these two things and you lift it up. Then you can remove that cover. You will have all the relays and fuses located in this fuse box, and you have one more fuse box that's hidden, guys. So we have a special video that talks where the fuse boxes are located on Dodge Challenger. So these fuses, guys, you have 2 types of fuses usually. In either case, they're hard to tell if they're burnt. We recommend to always test them. We will put a special link in the description of the video below that will teach you how to test fuses and relays, and you will know if that's causing your problem. Another thing, if you need to buy replacement ones at a good price, check out the link and you can see where you can get them from. The fuse that you need to check first, guys, okay, will be actually, guys, if you come right here, 1, 2, 3, the third row, from top to bottom, and then you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That 6th fuse here, need to check that for fuel injectors, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That fuse right here, these 2 fuses needs to be checked for fuel injectors. If your fuel injectors are still not working after checking these 2 fuses, we have a special video about fuel injectors relay. We have a special video about how to replace fuel injectors and symptoms of bad fuel injector on Dodge Challenger. Check it out and it will teach you all about that stuff. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.